Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 4-Pfeile puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all 8 pieces into the frame so that you can see 4 arrows. Right now you can see no arrows at all. But if you switch places of some of the parts, like you remove these two, put these two together, and you already created 1 arrow. Then if you grab this piece and you, for example, flip it, you will create another arrow. And if you keep going, probably you will find a way how to create a 3rd arrow. But most of the times you will end up with 2, maybe 3, but no 4, since it will be quite difficult to find the correct solution. Like right now, there is almost an arrow here, but I don't think that I can actually put it in the right way. Yeah, I can probably put this part here, create an arrow, then put these two up here, and there will be another arrow, and then add 2 more parts, but that's 3. There is no 4 arrows. So you have to keep trying until you will be able to find the correct solution. If you like the 4-Pfeile puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. And what's interesting, the initial assembling, that how the puzzle comes to you, is very close to the solution, but you don't even know about that. So we are here. Now to solve the puzzle, first of all, you flip this piece and you put it like that. You already created the 2nd arrow. Now you have to move this part and I guess this part, and you create, no, that is not the correct one. Wait a second. This one goes here. We have 3 and then there is 4. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows. And I moved only like 3 or 4 parts from the initial assembling. That is quite tricky. The puzzle designer created it in such a way that you start very close to the solution, but since probably most of the people will just dump all the parts from the frame and try to put parts back inside, they will lose this opportunity to solve the puzzle very quickly. If you like the 4-Pfeile puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.